today's object is very simple. So this is our SolidWorks interface. So firstly select the all planes and click on show, and click on front plane and click on sketch. Firstly see our sketch. So firstly we need to draw only the profile against the center line. Only we need to revolve the sketch at once. So firstly we need to draw the center line. So go to the line command and choose the center line and draw the center line, that is horizontal center line. Then firstly choose the line command and draw the random line at the origin, at below the origin, and choose the distance as 15 mm. Because of the 30 is our diameter. Then choose the other distance as 25 because of our diameter is 50. Then draw the horizontal line from that and choose its length as 40 mm. Click on OK. Then again draw the line for the 100 mm diameter, and 5 is width of the line. So let me choose the line. Draw the vertical line and choose the dimension as 50 because of our diameter is 100, and draw the horizontal line from that end point and choose the distance as 5 mm as per our sketch. Then again draw a vertical line for the 60 mm diameter whose width is 6 mm. Then again we go to the line command then draw the vertical line and select the distance as 30. Click on OK. Click on OK and choose the horizontal line. Draw the line from the end point and choose the distance as 6. Click on OK. Now next diameter is 40 and the width is 6. So choose the line command and draw the vertical line from the end point of that line and choose the distance as 20 and click on OK. Then again draw the horizontal line as 6 mm as per our sketch. Now the taper portion, the taper distance is 5 mm and angle is 45 degrees. So we just draw the taper line and give the angle between them between the horizontal line and currently drawn line. Choose the smart dimension and give the angle 135, that is 45, actually 90 plus 45, that is 125, 135. This is okay. Then give the distance as 5 mm, which is taper length, so we give the taper length as 5 mm. And then we need to draw the horizontal line of the 8 mm length from that taper line. So choose the line command and give the dimension as 8 mm, and we need to mirror this for the next taper portion. So draw the center line at the center of the line and just mirror the taper line by selecting the line. Again, we need to draw the horizontal line from that tapered line endpoint. Then go to the line command, draw the line from that endpoint, choose the distance as 5 mm and click on OK. Then draw the line and cover this whole portion, the remaining portion, and click on exit sketch. We need to revolve this, so go to the features and go to the revolve boss and select the axis of revolution, that is our center line, and click on OK. This is our object is ready as per our sketch.